Hey guys, how are you all? Are you looking for a smart device for the safety of your child? Wait for this Xiaomi product. Xiaomi is soon launching a new watch which is focusing on the children's safety. MI has last year launched a MI Bunny Watch 2C which mainly has focused on children, offering a stylish design with lots of interesting features. Now the Xiaomi has upgraded that MI Bunny Watch 2C and it is launching MI Bunny Watch 3C. Some of the key highlights of the product include AMOLED display, up to 4 days of battery life, AI capabilities, 4G and IPX7 certification. Let us look at closely the specification of this watch. The MI Bunny Watch 3C features a 1.3-inch AMOLED display panel with a resolution of 240 x 240 pixels and a 160-degree viewing angle. For an added protection and smoother display, the brand has added a layer of Gorilla Glass and a 2.5D curved glass. To prevent fingerprint smudges, the smartwatch comes with an anti-fingerprint oleophobic coating. The wearable makes use of 4G connectivity, which in turn helps in high-definition video calling. For that, the MI Bunny Watch 3C is equipped with a 2MP enhanced HD camera and it has an aperture of f2.4 and a wide-angle lens with a 84.8 degree field of view. All of this is backed by a small 780 mAh battery cell that can last up to 4 days on a single charge. Unlike to the previous generation, this time the brand has decided to integrate an IPX7 water resistant standard. This means that the wearable can withstand heavy splashes and rain. To be precise, the watch can survive the short duration of water immersions with a depth less than 1 meter or less than 30 minutes of immersion. For connectivity, the smartwatch comes with a GPS plus Baidu Wi-Fi gravity sensing and a GPS module. On top of this, Xiaomi decided to integrate photo scene assisted and indoor positioning, allowing parents to locate their child. This tracking feature supports over 4,000 shopping malls, railway stations, airports and various other major trademarks. This watch has been launched in China but soon it will be launched in all the countries where Xiaomi has a good market. Another key highlight of the product is the Xiaomi AI Smart Assistant and its AI capabilities. Using the assistant, the user can control various tasks such as alarm, music playback, answering calls, and much more using the voice command. So Xiaomi MI Bunny Watch 3C turns out to be a major upgrade over its predecessor. As expected, the smart wearable will only cost you around $57 to $58. So soon this smartwatch will be available in China and in other countries. It is going to launch in the month of August or October 2019. So this is all about the smartwatch from Xiaomi for children's. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.